Hey there, I'm Santina with WTI. Are you looking for a great cup of coffee this morning? Well, I want to tell you about this Mr. Coffee Optimal Brew Coffee Maker. So there's some features that I really like. First of all, it's super easy to use. You put your filter in, put your coffee in, fill with water, and press the button. I don't think you can get much easier than that. And I also really was very impressed with how fast the coffee was done. I pressed the button, it waited just a few minutes, and I had a full pot of coffee. So excellent work there. I was very pleased with that. And one of my favorite features is actually with the carafe. I think it really makes a very clean pour. So I'm always happy with that. I don't want to be making messes in my kitchen, and I think this one works great. So if you're a multi-cup coffee drinker, or you've got lots of people in your family drinking coffee and you just want something easy that's going to keep your coffee coming all day long, keep it hot, keep it simple, I think this is an excellent option for you, and I hope you will like it too. That's my point of view.